Everything, all my body.
Everything hurts?
Everything, yeah.
Yeah.
I played rugby for my entire life, so everything is
Mm-hmm.
broken.
Yeah. All right, press your elbow back. Got it.
That was good.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna do your mid back here. Oh my gosh.
No.
That was crazy. Good. How'd that feel?
Amazing.
That was good?
Yeah.
Just relax for me. Good. Really good.
Wow.
Wow. All right, what do you think?
Wow, it's amazing.
That was good?
That was good. That was good.
How do you feel?
Good, better. I had a headache, and you removed my headache. Yeah.
I love it.
And
I love
fixed
it.
my ankles.